Hey everybody, back for the unboxing slash review for you. Guess I done. I'm sorry. Just got done doing a try-on haul with a recent purchase. I'll let y'all see the fit. Y'all probably not gonna be able to see all of it. I'm gonna come back here for y'all so y'all can see what I got on. The fours with the bear on the shirt. A little bit cold, y'all, so that's probably why I seem like I'm leaning up against the camera a little bit more here in Wisconsin. Of course, it's November. Thanksgiving is around the corner. Back with an unboxing slash review for y'all. And yeah, remembering to treat ourselves as best as we can. Especially with everything that's going on in our lives, remembering to take care of yourself as best you can, whether it be physically and emotionally, y'all. Because who better to do it than you, right? Plus, I'll say this once, I'll say this twice. You set the standard for how you want to be treated. So what you will take and allow is what this person, well, the opposite person, will continue to do. They shouldn't be doing it anyway. If they care, they won't do it. But that's neither here or there. That's another video. But back with the unboxing slash reviews for y'all. I'm gonna let y'all see what this is. Trying to make this quick because I gotta get to cardio. My size, 8.5 women. My size, 8.5 women. Women's Air Jordan 1, low OGSP, canary, blue light silver. Y'all know what that is? Nice. No stamp, no sticker. Came with these extra laces in here. The blue extra laces. And the red extra laces. Looking at these, everybody knows what these are. And found out what this was the other day, y'all. Did y'all know that's like a quality mold prevention tag in there? Didn't find that out until the other day. Food for thought. And these are so nice, y'all. Oh, look at that. And they match my shirt. Yes. Definitely match the shirt. Yellow laces. Another gray summer shoe. And these are the Travis Scott low canaries. After pretty much the same colors as his high school colors. Came nice, y'all. Really nice. Gum bottom at the bottom. Okay, there's a jack on the side there. Let's see if I can. The sicko at the back there. On the left. Air Jordan. I can pick that up. On the right. And then an inner part. See those? It comes in the inner. And these came nice, y'all. Like, I have to continue to remind myself we're not gonna be here forever. You might as well enjoy it while you have it. Definitely. Definitely. And About to take one of these off. See how they fit. Shoe today. Jordan 4 Lightnings. Shout out to all of y'all who actually wear y'all shoes. I am reminded on a daily basis to wear my sneakers. Wear my sneakers on a daily basis. Definitely. Remind on a daily basis to wear my sneakers. Definitely. Reminded on a daily basis to wear my sneakers on a regular basis. Definitely. But no complaints, y'all. I'm definitely gonna swag these out. Definitely. As promised. And these came nice, y'all. No complaints. I'm about to go ahead, lace these up, put these on, and proceed as usual. Thank y'all all for staying in tune as always, and for another unboxing / review for y'all. But until we meet again, thank y'all all for staying in tune for another unboxing / review. Much appreciated. I'll talk to y'all later. Much appreciated.